Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, crochet table dollies. We'll share for friends. Let's start the video. I'm going to show a beautiful crochet table dolly. This is very simple and very elegant. I'm just going to try it and home. A crochet table dollies is a small decoration mat. You can use it on your dining tables, coffee table or side table. It looks beautiful under a vase, bowl or candle. Let's start by looking at the design. The center of the holidays, usually round or square, we make small stitches. And in the center was the part is strong and tight. It gives a nice base for the design. After the center, we start making round. Each round has a pattern. Some round have open space. Some rounds have small crochet flower or leaves. The open space makes the dolly look light and pretty. We can use cotton yarn and for your dolly, cotton make the dolly soft, strong, and easy to wash. You can also use colorful yarn if you want a bright look. Sometimes we also use stitch or shell stitch for decoration. The round shape is perfect for round tables. The square or rectangle dollies look good on a long tables or shelf. Make your home look elegant. Dollies are not only decoration, they protect your tables from scratches. You can also use them for special celebration. A big dolly for either decoration, a small dolly under a vase for a birthday or any anniversary, a colorful dolly for spring or summer decoration.
काउंट करके बताएगा कितने काउंट करके बता दे कितने
Friends,
कितने काउंट करके
white or cream for a classic look, pastel color for soft gentle decoration, bright color for a cheerful and fun home. The dollies can also be gifts. Handmade crochet dollies are very special. You can give them to your mother, sister, friends. They will love it because it is handmade and full of care and other ideas. Mix and match patterns. You can make only dolly with flowers, one with geometric shapes and one with simple round. It makes your table look interesting and creative. Dollies are timeless. People have used them for many years. Even today, crochet dollies are popular. They make your home look